Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing credentials and opening the SBI Card app or SBI Card net banking portal on your phone or desktop. Enter your registered mobile number or card number and complete the OTP verification. This authenticates you. Once logged in, make sure your profile shows the correct card product and credit limits so Milestone checks reference the right account. If you have multiple cards, select the specific card you want to check. This avoids checking progress on the wrong card and saves time. You next navigate the app or portal to the Rewards, Offers, or Milestones area. It's typically under Menu. Once there, find the active milestone campaign tied to your card. You'll see required spend, eligible transaction categories, and the campaign period. Check the progress bar and transaction list to confirm which spends counted. Make sure to filter by statement date or campaign period if available. This explains discrepancies and helps you plan remaining spends to meet the milestone before it expires. You finish by confirming earned benefits and the expected posting date. Rewards may post after statement generation. If a spend isn't counted, verify merchant category, transaction type, and timestamp against campaign rules. Once done, gather transaction ID and screenshots and contact SBI Card customer support through chat, phone, or secure message. Provide details and request manual review. If they delay, escalate with your complaint number and retain all evidence. This speeds resolution and prevents lost milestone benefits.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.